Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Today we're transforming classic bagel and lox into a fresh, vibrant bagel and lox salad. Perfect for brunch, lunch, or anytime you crave a light twist on a deli favorite. Here's what you'll need. First, let's make bagel croutons. Toss the bagel cubes with 1 tablespoon olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Spread them in a single layer and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown and crisp. Set aside to cool. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups mixed greens, the sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons softened cream cheese with the juice of 1 lemon, the remaining tablespoon of olive oil, chopped dill, and a pinch of salt and pepper until smooth and creamy. Drizzle the dill-cream cheese dressing over your greens and gently toss to coat evenly. Next, nestle 6 ounces of smoked salmon strips over the dressed greens. Finish with a generous sprinkle of bagel croutons and 2 tablespoons of capers for a tangy pop. For extra flair, garnish with more fresh dill or a squeeze of lemon. This bagel and lox salad is the perfect balance of crunch, creaminess, and smoky flavor. Great for entertaining or a quick gourmet meal at home. Thanks for watching. Instructions and ingredients are listed in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fresh ideas. Drop a comment below with your twist on this salad. See you next time.